So in this video I'm going to show you how you can search all of the major property portals all at once. Why do multiple searches when you can just do one in one place? Now when you log into Ultimate Property Dashboard, you land on your dashboard. You've normally got an area and then you've got some suggested listings. So this is the software already searching in areas that you've added. Now you might want to just do a random search or a specific search for an area, and that's something that you can do in property search. So you've got the option of the automation, but you've also got the option of taking control. So you click on property search in the left hand side. Here you can put the postcode in, so you put SA6 for example and do a search, and you'll get properties in the SA6 postcode area. There's 164 properties, and these are the property listings from all the major portals. Most of them in this area are on the market, but there are a few that are on Rightmove. As you can see, this particular property here is a Rightmove property, and this particular property here is an on the market property. Doesn't matter where it's listed, our software will automatically identify properties in those areas. Now we'll go back again to the property search. Not only can we just search the postcode area, but we can also drop a pin, so we can put an exact postcode in. So we can drop a pin in that postcode, and then we can do a radius of maybe 5 miles, let's say. So we do that, and then we'll get 701 properties, because we're taking in additional postcodes now, so there's more of a search. So if you're just looking in a particular area, you can do that, and you can expand or reduce that search as much as you see fit. So that's how you search all the portals all at once. And again, as you can see, we've got on the market properties here. Here's a zoo property. It doesn't matter where the property is listed, it will be in this list. Now the advantage of doing things this way is that you can view everything in one place, which is very handy. You can see these windows of different properties. We can also see them all in a nice table, which we can download into Excel, and critically we can also view everything across all the portals on a map, which I think is really useful. And again, they're sorted by type, so you've got apartments, houses, HMOs, etc. And as you zoom in, you'll find all the different property types. So as we get more towards the centre of Swansea, we'll see these greens showing up. These are HMOs. You'll see there's a lot of light blue. That's obviously just standard single let properties. Red is apartments, and so on. You can see that little legend across the bottom there to tell you what we're seeing. Now going back to the grid view, you may actually want to do a search across all portals for particular things. So in this part of the software, you've got some options you can filter, and obviously you can sort by different types of properties as well. So for example, you may have a budget. So if you want to click on filters and you want to put in your budget, we can do that down here, £125,000 let's say for a property, and you may just be looking for particular types of properties. So you may be just looking for houses, not apartments. Okay, and then we apply that filter and it gives us a result. So these are just the houses that are under £125,000. Fabulous. So now we're down to just 112 across all of the portals. We could go a little bit further with these filters. We may decide that we want to just make sure we've got anything that's free between 3 and 4 beds, and then we can also say we just want the stuff that's been on the market or put on the market in the last 7 days, and click on apply, and that'll give us a much shorter list. So now we're down to just 12 properties. Now if that's a type of search that you like, it's very simple, but it is the type of search that can take some people hours. What you can then do is you can save that filter. So go back to filters again, and you see we've got this little green option here, save filters. So we can call that 7-day SA6 5 mile houses, and that filter will then be saved. So I no longer need to worry about configuring that filter again. That filter is saved forever. It's in my saved filters. So there it is there, as you can see, 7-day SA6 5 mile house. Okay, now you can be really imaginative with these filters, and in another video I show you how you can find different types of strategies using this search. The other thing you can do with property search, not only can you do residential listings, you can also do letting well. So if you've got a rent-to-rent strategy, you can also do rental listings by clicking on the on-market rental listings. So there are all of the rental listings across all of the portals. Okay. And in addition to that, we can also search for HMOs as well, so that it takes in spare room as well. Okay, so just remember that. And then finally, if you're looking very specifically for commercial opportunity, again, we can do that. We'll probably need a bit of a bigger search radius on this. Let's do that, and let's put in 10 miles. And we can go away and look for commercial opportunity, and there we go. There are 70 commercial property listings for us to take a little look at as well, and there you go. You can see them all. It doesn't matter where they're advertised, they're all there for you to review. So that's how you can use UPD to really quickly search all of the portals for opportunities. Now we don't expect you to use these searches every single day, so I would encourage you to make sure you save those filtered searches that you do, because once you do start saving these searches, you can then easily access them on your dashboard. As you can see down here in my saved filters, there is that filter that I've just set. All I need to do is click on that filter and it will immediately take me to the settings that I've just done in that demonstration. So there are the 12 properties. It's as simple as that. So massive time saving, all portals searched, updated twice a day, very easy for you to do.